My name is Tintin Jonasson. Welcome to a short presentation of the history of Eton Systems. What made us to the company that we are, from the past to the present. Eton has its roots in the 1920s. The depression was tough in Sweden. Our grandfather had a sawmill, and when many builders went bankrupt, they brought the sawmills with them when they fell. This happened to our grandfather's business as well. Without any resources, the family were thinking about what to do. So our grandmother started up a small sewing business at home to make a living. It was 1928. The business grew and became a company where the whole family worked. This became Eton AB. Our father, Inge Davidsson, took care of all the technical parts of the company. He also developed new machines, such as the first buttonhole machine and a collar turner that is still in use. Inge had a vision to make the best shirt factory in the world. He studied every operation and saw that they only used 20% of the time for work that added value, such as sewing or pressing. The rest, 80%, was wasted with moving of products, searching or repairing. He had an idea that he wanted to try out. When cutting the pieces, it was made in bundles, and those bundles follow through the whole production process. A lot of time was used for handling. But what or who should be served? Who do you pay? The operator. He tested to hang the products one by one in a product carrier, and they entered the operator on a simple rail. The first unit production system was born. He cultivated the concept with automatic buffers and a lot of different working places, robot arms and other things to optimize the different operations. The launching of the system outside their own business was held in 1967. Eton Systems was born. In the end of the 70s, Japan was Eton Systems' biggest market. They liked and understood this production philosophy. Unfortunately, the garment industry is constantly moving to new countries, which forced us to move our focus around the world, 60 countries and over 4,000 sold systems. The strength of Eton Systems has always been to think in new ways. This has resulted in strong patents such as the chain, the third hand, which give full flexibility in working positions for all operations, a revolution in efficiency, ergonomics and flexibility. At an early stage, we integrated handling with information that facilitated and gave many advantages in planning, quality, traceability, follow-up, etc. We continued with what we saw was the next big step to get shorter throughput times and to be able to run shorter series more effectively. A fully automatical cutting and sorting machine, an automatic flow from roll of fabric to ready-made garment. We developed this and test-ran it in the shirt factory in Gånghester. Unfortunately, we had to close this idea since it needed higher trained operators than our customers had at that time. In the end of the 90s, we proceeded to develop new software programs that could be linked and seen by everyone in the company, even through the web. Maybe we were thinking 4.0 already then. We also developed new generations of hardware systems to our toolbox. Information is needed, but also tools to help ergonomics, throughput time, and efficiency. We also expanded our knowledge in production technology and planning of efficient manufacturing. This is Eton Systems' concept today: information, hardware, and production knowledge. This development was made to be able to expand our customer segments. We have always been within the garment industry, but now we started to add other customers. We added home textile to our segments, where we found great values for our customer. It is bulky products with lots of handling. We also found good values in the furniture industry. Actually, we saw savings in all segments that involved sewing. When seeing these results in these industries, we asked ourselves if not all industries have the same need, which we saw that many had. Some even had more waste than our existing segments. So we decided to develop our concept for fragile, small and large products, but with a weight limit on the products so that we could still keep flexibility, efficiency, ergonomics and profitability. We have sold to customers who made catheters in clean room environments. Since we come from the garment industry with no oil or dirt, our system fits well in clean rooms. We are also in other industries, such as bumpers, car doors, filters, within assembly, packing and plastic industries. And we can do this since our system now has patented solutions for separation of products. They can be stored or transported without touching each other, and the distance between them can be changed. Then can be moved up or down or be sorted. The system can deliver the products to the right place in the right time, anywhere in the building, or even to buildings close by. The system has been the link between the customer's information system, people, or robots, and to minimize waste and faults, this is most often made in parts of the building that normally isn't used, such in the ceiling or in the cloud. Thank you for your attention when listening to what brought Eton Systems from the past to the present.